creating a section view so I can see a cutaway section of the inside of this plastic toy windshield. Click Section. Select the view that you want to cut in half. And now we're going to draw the section line. So this is where we cut it. Click the check. Okay. Right there. Okay. Then we'll adjust that a little bit. And now we're going to create a detail view so we can see this little piece. Detail view just means we're zooming in. Click Detail, select the view, put the cursor where you want the center of the magnified view to be, and then expand the little circle. And we're going to put it over here. Okay. And we'll adjust that a little bit.